Good evening, this is Dhanya. So you'll be seeing me after a very long time. This is because I was under a treatment process. I had a health issue, so I was under a treatment process. Still my treatment is going on. But thought of posting few videos because many queries, like daily I'll be getting nearly 10 to 15 messages in my Instagram as well as in my mail also, like why you are not posting videos, we have such queries, can you please answer whenever you get time, please do it, like that. So much of love, seriously. Then I thought, like if I could really help from my side, like whatever queries you have, if I'm able to help you from my side, why can't I do it? So I thought of posting videos from today. I'm getting cured, so there will be some lags in this, so kindly adjust. From today onwards, frequently you will be getting my videos. So if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it so that you will be getting the regular updates. So today's topic is like nothing much important. I came here just to inform you regarding a training plan. This is because, like last day I got a mail from two companies regarding their vacancies. So they are in need of 150 coders, those who are non-certified, and they will be giving the training, like what to say, certification training and everything. So once you clear your interviews and join with the company, surely you can go up with the certification training as well as you can work as a medical coder. So here the process is like I'm planning to give you a 3 days training, 3 or 4 days training. So it will be a 2-hour session daily. It will be completely regarding the ICD guidelines and everything, as well as the interview questions, everything will be discussed during the session, and it will be completely a useful session, which, like, whenever if you want to try job from your side, or else you want us to help us from our side to get a job, 100% this training will be effective, as well as you will be finding it very useful, trust me. So like I'm planning for a 3 or 4 days training. In this, the complete ICD guidelines will be completed, as well as you will be getting trained for interview questions also. And once you complete this, we will be providing a course completion certificate from our academy, as well as the job reference will also be done from our side. And you have to give your interviews wherever we are referring you, and once you clear those interviews, you will be directly joining the company, as well as you will be working as a medical coder. So if you are a graduate, those who have completed your graduation and still searching for a job, surely you can make utilize of it, and I guarantee you that it will be a 100% useful session. So don't miss this chance. And the fees, like the enrolling cost is very less, and that's it. So you can, like, once you complete this, and if when you start to work as a coder, no, if you are working it without international certification, so the starting salary will be around some 13 to 15, and after joining the company, once you complete your certification training and give your exam and clear the certification, the salary will be more than 25,000. This is what I have already given in my video brief session regarding this, but make use of it. 100% you can get job within this short span itself. So hope so you will be enrolling fast, and will catch me soon. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this video, and whatever queries you have, you can post me and you can text me in Instagram also. Like, I'll be preparing the contents from my side, and from tomorrow onwards, regularly you'll be receiving my videos. So please do subscribe, and if you find this video useful, please do share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you. Bye. Take care.